Hi. Thanks for coming to your channel, Metriko 64, a math channel for the math students. Listen carefully. The first task to do is to draw the right triangle. A rectangle triangle. In this one there are two hicks, the side A and the side B, which evidently are perpendicular each other because exists a rectum angle between them. The hypotenuse is just in the opposite side of this 90 degrees angle. On the other hand, the A and B angles are minor than 90 degrees in this kind of triangle. Remember that due to a known trigonometric theorem, the sum of the three internal angles of any kind of triangle, no matter which kind, will always be equal to 180 degrees. Now, let's write the sine function definition. The sine of an angle is defined as the division of the opposite hic between the hypotenuse. Let's see. The sine of the angle A is equal to the magnitude divided between the hypotenuse C. The sine of the angle B is equal to the B magnitude divided between the hypotenuse C. Now, let's write the cosine function definition. The cosine of an angle is defined as the division of the adjacent hic between the hypotenuse. Let's see. The cosine of the angle A is equal to the B magnitude divided between the hypotenuse C. The cosine of the angle B is equal to the magnitude divided between the hypotenuse C. Now, let's write the definition of the tangent function. Look at this triangle. The tangent of an angle is defined as the division of the opposite side over the adjacent side. Well, the tangent of the angle A is equals to the hic over the hic B. The tangent of the angle B is equals to the hic B over the hic A. Well, my friends, we have arrived to the point I like so much, just the point where math animations start, thanks to this great software well known as geogebra, which is useful to teach and to learn math. Within geogebra, we have drawn this rectangle triangle which has the following measures. The side A, with 4 units, these can be inches, centimeters, millimeters, etc. The side B, equals to 3 units. Both are perpendicular each other because they're 90 degrees angle, and the side C, or hypotenuse equals to 5 units, hicks A and B. 4 and 3 units, the uppercase A. Angle equals to 53.13 degrees. Let's observe the right side table where geogebra has made the calculations of the trigonometric functions. These calculations are based on the list of formulas shown just here. Sine of A equals to A divided between hypotenuse. That's mean 4 divided between 5, the easy result is 0.8. Sine of A equals 0.8. This number has no units, it is just a simple number. Cosine of A equals 0.6. Why? Because we divide B equals 3 between C equals 5. Cosine of A equals B between C, that's mean 3 between 5, which results 0.6 with no units. Because dividing inches between inches, the result is just 1 without any units. Tangent of angle A equals hic A divided between B, or 4 between 3, which is 4/3, or 1.3333. These functions are referred to A and J. To get the results for the angle B, let's observe that. Sine of B equals 0.6, cosine of B equals 0.8, tangent of B equals 0.75, sine of B equals 3 between 5 equals 0.6, cosine of B equals 4 between 5 equals 0.8, tangent of B equals 3 between 4 equals 0.75. At this moment I am going to produce an animation by changing the length of the sides B, or A. Now you can observe how the table numbers take their new values. At this point, we have a 4 units length B, and a 4 units length A. Take a look to the A tangent value, which is just 1 because both hicks length are the same. And also that tangent of the B angle is equals 1 because in this case A between B equals B between A. Now, let's make the calculations for sine and cosine of angle A. Sine equals 4 between 5.65 equals 0.7071, and cosine equals 4 between 5.65 equals 0.7071. Exactly the same result. A relevant value to observe is the 45 degrees angle, which is the same for both angles. Let's observe that the sum of the three angles 45 plus 90 equals 180 degrees. Exactly. At this point, we can try the other way to have the sine, cosine and tangent values. I mean, the calculator way. Before to key in the numbers, you have to choose the degrees option button because the angles measured in our triangle are made just in degrees. Now, let's key in the A angle value, 45, and after the value let's key in the sine key, and you can notice the value, 0.7071. The same one shown in geogebra. And what about the cosine function? Let's write 45. And keying cosine key, and oh! We are proving that the formula and the calculator ways are the same. Both are right. Now, let's increase the length of side B and observe the new resulting values. As the length of the hit B is increasing, you can notice that angle A is decreasing and angle B is increasing, but the sum of both angles is always 90 degrees. At this moment, let's make the length of side B shorter. Sorry. You have to notice that the A angle is increasing while B angle is decreasing. Now, I have a question for you students. What is going to happen with the trigonometric function's values? Just at the point where the length B equals 0, I mean, lowest B length is 0. Oh! The side B has disappeared. And where is the triangle now? The triangle is no more a triangle, but a line. Let's take a look to the new trigonometric functions. Angle A equals 90 degrees. Sine of 90 degrees equals 4 over 4. 300 equals 1. Cosine of 90 degrees equals 0 over 4. Equals 0. Now, which is the value of tangent of 90 degrees? We should have to divide 4 over 0. But 4 over 0 is infinito. It is not a defined number. It is infinito. Just what we can see on the table. I will redraw the last rectangle triangle. Finally, let's decrease the length of side A. Notice that the A angle is decreasing while B angle is increasing. The possible minimum value for angle A will be 0 degrees. Now, my question for you is, what is going to happen with the trigonometric function's values? Just at the point where the length of the side A, B equals 0, the side A has disappeared, and where is the triangle now? The triangle is no more a triangle, but an horizontal line. Let's take a look to the new trigonometric functions. Angle A equals 0 degrees. Sine of 0 degrees equals 0 over 4. 300 equals 0. Cosine of 0 degrees equals 4 over 4. Equals 1. Now, which is the value of tangent of 0 degrees? We should have to divide 0 over 4. That's equal to 0, just what we can see on the table. Ooh! Pretty well, my students. After these successful experiments, let's write a recap of all these observations. We have realized that maximum sine or cosine value is 1, and in this triangle where the angles were major than 0, the minimum sine or cosine value is 0. Let's write. Sine of 0 degrees equals to 0. Sine of 90 degrees equals to 1. Cosine of 0 degrees equals to 1. Cosine of 90 degrees equals to 0. Tangent of 0 degrees equals to 0. Tangent of 45 degrees equals to 1. Tangent of 90 degrees equals to infinite. Well, that's all for this math video. So, for any questions, suggestions or comments, please let me know. Don't forget, please activate the notifications bell, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. My name is Fernando and it was nice to be with you. See you the next video. This is Metriko 64, a math channel for the math students.